my dear students, today we are going to study multiplication of rational numbers. And children, the topic is very easy as we have already studied multiplication of fractions. The rules are same. First, let us revise the rules of the signs. You know, plus into plus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is minus, and minus into minus is plus. So these are the rules of sign when we multiply two rational numbers. Okay, the method is same. Here also, first you have to multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators and simplify. Let's see question number 1 of exercise 5.3. You have to multiply minus 2 by 9 by minus 5. So what you will do? First you will write minus 2 by 9 into minus 5. Now I already told you simple. First you simplify the signs. You know minus into minus is plus. So no need to write the sign and multiply numerators. So 2 into 5. In this way you can write 2 into 5 by 9. Now simplify. 2 5 is 10. 10 by 9 is the answer. Now let's see second heading is evaluate. But you can see here also you have to multiply. Now you know if there is mixed numbers, you have to convert it into improper. And again here minus sign is there and here also minus. So minus into minus is plus. Now let's simplify this. 9 is a 9, 9 2 is a 18. So what you are getting? 18 by 9 into 21 by 44. Okay. Now you have to multiply numerators and multiply with denominator. Denominator to denominator is 9 into 44. Now if you can simplify, means you have to convert into the simplest form. As you can see here, 3 3s are 9 and here 3 7s are 21. And this you can cancel it by 2. So what you will get? 2 2s are 2 2s are 4 and here 2 9s are 18. But you can again see this 3 and 9 can be simplified. So what we do? 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now after writing in the simplest form, whatever left in the numerator and denominator, that you have to simplify and write. So is equal to what is left? 3 into 7. So 3 into 7 is what? 21 by, here in the denominator 22 is the answer. Okay. Now see 21 by 22 is the answer. Let us check it again. 18 into 21. Sorry children, here my mixed fraction is wrong. 9 1 is 9, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 by 9. Okay. And here 21 by 44. Minus into minus is plus. And now just simplify. 11 into 21 upon 9 into 44. Now simplify. This can cancel. 3 3s are 3, 7s are. Now you can see here 11 is there and here 44. So both are divisible by 11. 11 1s are 11. 4s are. Now what is left in the numerator? 1 into 7, that is 7. 3 into 4 is what? 12. So 7 by 12 is the answer. So convert mix into improper properly. Now let's see one more example. Here let's simplify the sign. Here is plus and here is minus. So you know plus into minus is minus. So you have to put first minus sign. Now convert this into improper. 6 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 6 into 24. Now here is if single number is there, remember children, that number is always in the numerator. Now write it this way. 7 into 24 by 6. Direct you can cancel. 6 1 ja, 6 4 ja, 24. Now what is left? Minus 7 into 4 and simplify. Minus 7 into 4 is what? Minus 28 is the answer. Okay. Now children see question Question number 2 is, I skip here question number 2 as the heading is find the product, and the same way you have to multiply as we have multiplied here also. Okay, now question number 4 is find the reciprocal of. Somewhere you see you have to write the reciprocal directly, somewhere you have to simplify, and then you have to write its reciprocal. Now you know reciprocal means what? Numerator goes to denominator and denominator goes to numerator, and here you have to first simplify. And what is the other name for reciprocal? Multiplicative inverse. Okay, and remember children, 1 and minus 1 are the only rational numbers which are their own reciprocals. Means 1 का reciprocal भी 1 है और minus 1 का भी minus 1 ही है. So these are the two only rational numbers which are their own reciprocals. Now let's simplify. Here again, as you can see, first you will simplify and then you will write the reciprocal. So multiply numerators, multiply denominators. If you can simplify, you have to 3 ones are 3 threes are 7 ones are 7 twos are. Now what is left here? Minus into 1, that is minus 1 only, by 3 into 2 is 6, 3 twos are 6. So you got minus 1 by 6. So now children you will write, therefore the reciprocal of minus 1 by 6 is minus 6 by 1, that is minus 6. Okay, now here direct you can write that here the reciprocal of minus 7 by 25 is what? Minus 25 by 7. So I hope you understood all these questions, and it's easy, you know. Now let's move to question number 5, question number 6, question number 7, and now listen children, in the new textbook question number 8 is, means in the old textbook question number 8 is there na, fill in the blanks, that is cancelled in the new textbook. So we have to move according to new textbook. So those who have old textbook, they have to simplify after this. Question number 5, 6, 7, just cancel 8, and then your 9 question become 8 and 10 becomes 9. Okay, so in this way total 9 questions are there. Okay, so let's move to question number 5. Yes children, let's see exercise 5.3, it's question number 5. You have to verify LHS is equal to RHS, means you have to show that both the hands are equal by putting the values of x as minus 3 by 2, y as 4 by 3 and z as minus 1. So what you will do, you can draw one line in the middle and you have to simplify always left hand side separately and RHS separately. So here is the left hand side, and here we will write now, put x is equal to minus 3 by 2, y is equal to 4 by 3 and z is equal to minus 1. Now let's start. X, what is the value of x? Minus 3 by 2 into y is what? 4 by 3 plus z is what? Minus 1. Okay, now you know first you have to simplify the bracket. Now here you can see that there is here plus into minus become minus, that you simplify the sign first and it will be like this. Now here there is no denominator, you can take 1 because this is subtraction of fraction or subtraction of rational numbers. So you have to simplify the bracket first, and you know here what is the LCM, you have to find LCM is 3. Here as 3 is already in the denominator, so this numerator will be as it is, and minus here 3 ones are 3. Now let's simplify. Minus 3 by 2 into 4 minus 3 is what? 1 by 3. Now when single term is left, remove the bracket. So it will be minus 3 by 2 into 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled and the answer is minus 1 by 2. Now let's check by putting these values RHS what value we are getting. So let's see that. Bracket x is what? Minus 3 by 2 into y is 4 by 3 plus what? Minus 3 by 2. And your z is what? Minus 1. You know, first you have to simplify the bracket terms. Now you see 2 2s are 4, 3 3 get cancelled, and here what is left? Minus 2 plus minus into minus is plus, 3 1s are 3, 3 by 2. Now let's say to the bracket, you are getting minus 2 plus 3 by 2. Now you have to add these two rational numbers, so take denominator as 1. Again the same, find the LCM, and here what you will get? Minus 4 plus 3, and minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 by 2. Now you observe these two. LHS is also minus 1 by 2, RHS is also minus 1 by 2. So now you can write T, therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. You can write hence proved also. So hence verified. Okay, now let's move to question number 6. There are two sums. So I am explaining 6th question number, its first sum. Okay, in 7th also you have two sums. So in that I am explaining second sum. Okay, so see this sum. So see children, question number 6 you have to simplify its first sum. Okay, you know first you have to simplify the bracket. So this 5 by 3 will be as it is into. Now let's remove this bracket first. So this minus 1 by 2 as it is, plus into minus minus 3 by 5. Okay, and now minus 5 by 3, you know you have to simplify the bracket terms first. You can see this is subtraction of rational numbers. You have to make the denominator equal. So you have to find the LCM. So here the LCM is 10. Here you will get minus 5, you know, 5 is a 5, 2 3 is a 6. Now simplify. Minus 5 by 3 into minus 5 minus 6 is what? You are simplifying addition subtraction. So it will be minus 11 by 10. Now children, single term is there in the bracket. Remove the bracket and simplify. Minus into minus is plus. So just write 5 by 3 into 11 by 10. And 5 2s are 10. So what is the answer we are getting now? 11 by 3 into 2, that is 6. 11 by 6 is the answer. Okay. Now let's move to question number 7. There are two questions in that I am solving second one. Okay. Now this is the question. You can see you have to simplify the bracket first. This is the first bracket. Let's simplify. As there is multiplication, means you have to multiply numerators and denominators. So let's do that. 20 into 24 by 8 into 15, and plus into minus is minus here. Okay, this minus is as it is. Now simplify this, plus into minus is minus. Remember children, you will not simplify this sign direct. Simplify the bracket terms along with the sign. And 8 into 1 is 8 by 2. This you got. Okay. Now let's see. Here can you simplify? Yes. 8 1s are 8. 8 3s are 24. This also you can simplify. This and this both are divisible by 5. As there is 5 and 0 is there at 1's place. So 5 3s are and 5 4s are you got. Now after that you can see that this 3 and 3 also simplified. Now in the numerator what is left? Minus 4, and in the denominator nothing is there, you can write 1. So minus 4 by 1. Now let's check this. Minus into minus is plus, and here you can simplify children. 2 4s are. So you are getting 4. So this one you write or not, both are same. Now children see you are getting minus 4 plus 4, and you know these are additive words, and when we are adding additive words, its answer is always 0. Means if the number is same and the sign is opposite, its answer is always 0. So minus 4 plus 4 is what? 0. Okay. Now I already told you in the old textbook, cancel, fill in the blanks. Okay. Now Now let's move to question number 9. Let me read the question for you. Question is, find the cost of 5 3/4 meter of cloth at rupees 42 2/3 per meter. Per means 1 meter. Means you have given the cost of 1 meter of cloth, that is 42 2/3, and you have to find the cost of 5 3/4 meter of cloth. Now you know, whenever the value of 1 is given and you have to find many, you have to multiply. Now let's see question number 10. Question number 10 is, find the area of rectangular park of length 13 1/2 meter and breadth 11 2/3 meter. So children, this is your question number 9. You have to find the area of rectangular park. You know the formula for area of rectangle is length into breadth. We put the values of length and breadth given in the question, convert into improper and simplify. Now you know you have to multiply numerators with numerators and denominators with denominators. Now this you can simplify. 3 9s are 27. Now 9 into 35 is what? 315 by 2. Now as the length and breadth is given in mixed fraction, convert this also in mixed fraction. So answer will be 157 1/2 meter square. So what will be the answer? Therefore area of rectangular park is equal to 157 1/2 meter square is the answer. So children, in this way we have completed our exercise 5.3. Okay, so I hope you understood all the sums very well. Work hard, everything will be fine. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.